Hey everyone, it's Jimmy and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving headfirst into a mountain of mangoes. Get ready for some insane mango desserts that'll have you drooling. We're talking cheesecakes, sorbets, sticky rice, pudding, and even a freaking mango tart. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the deliciousness to come. Get those spoons ready because things are about to get seriously mango-y. All right, first up, we're tackling the king of all desserts, cheesecake. But not just any cheesecake, we're going full-on mango madness. For the crust, you'll need 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 5 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix that all up, press it into your pan, and bake it at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. While that's baking, let's whip up that creamy cheesecake filling. You're going to need 32 ounces of cream cheese, softened to perfection, 1 3/4 cups of sugar, because we like it sweet, right? 4 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the star of the show, a cup of pureed mango. Mix it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Don't even think about overmixing. Now pour that luscious filling over your pre-baked crust. We're going to bake this masterpiece at 325 degrees for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. But keep your eyes on the prize. You want that cheesecake to be just slightly jiggly in the center? Once it's done, let it cool down completely before you even think about slicing into it. Trust me, patience is key here. Alright guys, time to cool things down with some seriously refreshing mango sorbet. This one's so easy, it'll blow your mind. We're talking 3 ingredients, people. First up, you need 4 cups of chopped mango. Make sure it's ripe and juicy. Then grab 1/2 cup of sugar. Adjust to your liking, you sweet tooth, you. And last but not least, a squeeze of lime juice. About 1 tablespoon should do the trick. Now toss all that goodness into a blender and blitz it until it's smooth as silk. We're talking no chunks, people. Pour that sunshine into a freezer-safe container and let it chill for at least 4 hours or even better overnight. Once it's frozen solid, scoop it out and get ready for a taste explosion. This mango sorbet is the perfect way to cool down on a hot day, and it's so refreshing you won't believe it. Chapter 3. Mango Sticky Rice. Surprise! Get ready for the ultimate comfort food, guys. Mango sticky rice. This Thai-inspired dessert is the perfect blend of sweet, salty, and creamy. First things first, grab 1 cup of sticky rice, also known as glutinous rice. Rinse it thoroughly until the water runs clear. Then soak it in water for at least 30 minutes. This is going to give it that perfectly chewy texture. While the rice is soaking, let's make the coconut sauce. You'll need 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Whisk it all together in a saucepan and bring it to a simmer, stirring constantly until it thickens up nicely. Now drain the soaked rice and steam it for about 20 minutes, or until it's soft and cooked through. Once it's ready, gently mix in about 1/2 cup of the warm coconut sauce. Let it sit for a few minutes to absorb all that deliciousness. Finally, slice up some juicy mango and arrange it over the sticky rice. Drizzle on some more coconut sauce, sprinkle on some toasted sesame seeds, and get ready to dig in. This mango sticky rice is the ultimate comfort food, and it's sure to satisfy your sweet cravings. Chapter 4. Mango Pudding. Perfection. All right, let's switch gears and whip up some seriously smooth and creamy mango pudding. This one's so simple, you won't believe it. First up, grab 2 cups of milk, any kind will do, and bring it to a simmer in a saucepan. While that's heating up, whisk together 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt in a separate bowl. We want to make sure there are absolutely no lumps. Now, slowly whisk the cornstarch mixture into the warm milk. Keep whisking until the mixture thickens up nicely. We're talking pudding consistency here. Once it's thick, remove it from the heat and stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a cup of pureed mango. Make sure it's well combined, then pour it into individual serving dishes or 1 large dish. Cover it with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the surface to prevent a skin from forming, and let it chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Once it's set, top it off with some fresh mango slices, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of chopped nuts. This mango pudding is the perfect light and refreshing dessert. Chapter 5, Mango Tart Triumph. Last but not least, we're going all out with a show-stopping mango tart. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. First up, we need to pre-bake our tart shell. You can use a store-bought one or make your own. If you're feeling ambitious, just combine 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and half a cup of cold butter, cut into cubes. Pulse it in a food processor until it resembles coarse crumbs. Then add in about 3 tablespoons of ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the dough comes together. Wrap it up and chill it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Once it's chilled, roll out the dough and fit it into your tart pan. Prick the bottom all over with a fork and bake it at 375 degrees for about 15 minutes, or until it's lightly golden brown. While the crust is baking, let's make the mango filling. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of chopped mango, half a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Bring it to a boil over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens up. Pour this beautiful mango filling into your pre-baked tart shell and let it cool completely before serving. You can even get fancy and top it with some whipped cream and fresh mango slices for an extra touch of elegance. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible mango dessert recipes that'll rock your world. Which one are you dying to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more deliciousness, and share this video with all your mango-loving friends. Until next time, stay sweet.